Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn and Foodie Chera. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am going to make some bachoy. Bachoy is a very popular soup back in Philippines. It is served steaming hot, paired with hot buns like pandesal or puto. So let's go make some bachoy. So I will be boiling one pork chop in 6 cups of water. I put half a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 pork cube, 1 garlic clove, and half an onion and some black pepper. So I will pressure cook this for 20 minutes, and that's the meat I'm using for my bachoy. Same thing with the broth. So there you go guys, pork chop is fully cooked. We'll keep the broth. We're going to use it to add to our ingredients, and let's keep cooking. Ingredients for our bachoy. We have fully cooked pork liver. We have some toasted garlic minced, fully cooked pork meat, some chicharron or pork rind, boiled egg, chopped green onions, lime wedges, and freshly ground black pepper, fully cooked noodles. In my case, this is instant noodles, some broth that we boiled our pork in. Let's transfer our soup in a serving bowl. So first we're gonna put our noodles. Then we are going to put some of our pork meat. And our liver. Okay. Then we can put our extra garlic, some chicharron or pork rinds, and then our green onions, and then we can put some black pepper, and this is optional. I like chili flakes on mine, so I will put some chili flakes. And then last one is our boiled egg. There you go. And then we can put our broth in. going to serve this with lamb wedges on the side. There you go. Our instant bachoy is ready to be served. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. It's very simple, very easy. It's tasty too. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and put some comment down below. And please don't forget to share and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.